Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Website Translate widget to your Wix website. A Website Translate widget can help you offer your content in multiple languages, making your website more accessible and easier to understand for a wider audience. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Website Translate in the widget library and open it. After that, the widget editor will open, with the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you can add languages. The first language is usually your website's default language, and then you can add more languages as needed. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the widget template and its position. In the Appearance tab, you can change the display mode from floating to embed. You can also change the primary and text colors. In the Effects section, you can enable or disable the glass morphism effect. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the code and go to your Wix site editor. Now add a Embed HTML block, paste your installation code inside it, and click Apply. Finally, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.